Hello, Madam Si, Maba African Professor on Filter Platform, Mamus Person, Chief Linguist, Nekas African Professor, subscribe, share. When we're trying to hit notification bell, to be a new video, be able to turn on second. One more time, we're African Professor on Filter, Mamus Person with Chief Linguist, and Nekas and Ne. Again, me make a video be a check a crown and person, elaborate and answer me, throw more light to it. By now, in reaction to or in response to, what I've been hearing for the past 2 or 3 days about, Krasini be semi illiterate be a kujina or say, Upe baby a bon pa kumasi, Ghana kumasi. Now, Okremiswa ya Santini, which I doubt it because who be anywhere Santinia, Obejina baby a did Asante Fatem, Nipenim, Gina as Nipeni so did Asante Fatem, video at Minomokan, May, this video, Nitada, me say. Do you want to restart or revive your sinking career or business in Ghana? You better insult the Asantes. You better insult the Asantes. If you want to restart or revive your sinking career or business in Ghana, that's the only way, you can revive or restart your sinking career or whatever claim whatever claim you made about yourself regarding your career. And I say, the so-called stardom, statusness, we say, do you want to start? Do you want to restart, revive, put some energy into your sinking career or businesses in Ghana or abroad as a Ghanaian? You live in Ghana or in diaspora. If you want to revive it, your sinking career or your businesses, you better insult the Asantes and the Asante man for we are and I'll be where you bet my a revival and also be restart your career. I didn't know because yes, I could be sure the bigger quiz. I could be na pump paka cracker, Michelle was he a friend bigger quiz. Somehow where Asantini, which I doubted, 100% doubted, say Asantini be that worth his or her sort of obegina public. And also be or did obey TV so and I said radio so a dear Santifo in atom and I said Asante Mematam no. Obi Asantini be anyone, young at you. Yeah, Santifo, a beer may I have issue with Nemanima beer, a beer cost was Asante maybe a mempe, and I said within my family and I say it happens. But so do you abusiani and I said, wow, heritage, Uncroft could jump on tissue, a deal matama, Maza. Nakase. We a friend say, Asantini, no matter how much money and as a business you make, just a walk or cry, no one ya cry sika. I can't sika home, and son now sika nedimu. I cry sika nedi. What does it mean? I cry sika no, and cry sika nedi. Say, and your quality TV show, not radio show or Casanam Shakwe Jack. Not you wait, Jimmy, ah, Papa Penmu, Bema Penmu, wait, Jimmy, ah. Mamma taking it back because we'll be all crying. 7 is a penny and 4 in Yansa and telling credit me found teacher because I could be wa, then in Yansa a brew penny to give me brainty, penny or give me other day and carry. But the point make say, you can tell say God, it's a friend of bigger quiz. I will get on work as I didn't. The only thing I say, one of my bontin will claim so a star, which I doubt they say, Ubisan said. What is the meaning of star? Well, friend who's a star, what does it mean to say you're a star? I bet you he can't even tell you. Because yeah, Sankofona, sir, Raf, no, woman in them school crowd, man, Kobe, and woman in them now. Almost somehow, Omunya said, YouTube be near a obviously movie. I don't even know, say, a lot of things they do in Ghana, Kumawood area, and they are crying with a movie. You can really talk about this at the international level, no? Because says I didn't year, can you say Ghana? Ghana, movie star Bena Ghana, Kojina, baby say United States, and I say China, and I say India, and I say maybe Kubo, yes, will be a star of Ghana. No. So, and you one number offered who star no near them. The whole thing is said, and I make a for a Kaiwa for up, and your name being Koye Marantino. The only what Transia calculate here we say, yeah, when he said for the past years, 2 years, 3 years, the only way ubet me Ghana pa ubet me I'm making move pa who can be controversial about Ashantis. And that's how people pay attention to you. Because this is how NDC about power. So even political parties in Bebre use politics since the chromata to this day. They use Ashantis to gain power. Politicians in the crowd, they do it. And that's the only way you pit Ashantis against the other accounts. And to yes, I know, say we share accounts now. Among the accounts, I'm say Ashanti crown last, a tiny group of form way. But say, ironically, and now be prominent. Just say the whole world. Say you can't trap that a white Ghana, the Ashantis will be the first. And among for the brave, I said, and he knew what tiny enviness near the other. And the other one I said, Kofobi, I bet transcendental. And as one my transcendental crowd for some reason, or to me, Asante Casano, to the extent say, oh, to be Cambu Bear, chair, as we walk around, we are Santinino, or Bear, can some, and so, over 50 more free mano, none of my many papina, or Munya Sante for. You see? No, so, and I'm so Matia Casano. Because that's the only one other language as well. Almost everybody in Ghana speaks it and understands it. Who the move kind of crowd? Kasa bien wa. Sa all the local dialects know what Ghana. Kasa bien wa. More so widely spoken in Ghana than Ashanti beside English language. And to the point me making say, Obia to me a kabi. And and young one say, Obi bet me a master Ashanti language, What can't be Ben when you are doing now? No, trying who saw what claim so Ashanti. No, the dear term. And your son or pet legitimacy say, where Ashanti the say, Ness would dear Santi for Atama, because you any Mukruma Santini, and so if you mean no Yasantini, according to a set Sako Kumena, Nansanoka, yes, who can buy a soya, Atenga, one Yasantini. And Kofum Bebre, Omuyasantifu, Sa, Akoyo Cassan and say, your friend. A bigger quiz, the same way, okay, anymore. The way she Casa crowd himself, I can't wait Jimmy on Kanyas or some. Officer, what Casa, the Bosu can't see me and the chess money who said, well, according to any say, crowd, we are Santinibia, Pia Santinibia, and original Casse, Kumasi Bon. Massa, are you serious? And Tinina said, all these people who are demonizing Ashantis, Yahim for the idea, was to Mamunina, say they want to revive or restart their career, their sinking career. Career, and I say, so-called star dominant, is sinking. Oh, they're becoming irrelevant every day. And the only way I omit my revival and also omit my restarting, almost sinking career and no more business in Ghana and abroad, is to start demonizing, insulting Asantes. And when you do it, I bet you, all eyes will be on you. Nature said, well, prior to the elections, if you had the NDC for a year, Jessica, she said, you don't want you almost bank rollers, no more tweet, a founder NDC, no, almost said, and chunk of Fusca, almost chose carry almost men come will be anti some of them. Said, ostensibly, no, persuade so, on your low key. On per se, or chardia on pursue Biabehu, Nadia and the Obwa, because Omoyanima was sponsored, they don't want anybody to know. And or yes, I know, nature say, I can say one day on Panon Casa to say, President Muhammad, Ibrahim Muhammad, Sa strategy, Nibino, only on Pekasa or is Kenya on Panon Casa. Yeah, right. Go and tell that to the dogs. It's sanity, because what we say, Ghana is easy to manipulate and influence them. Because if you live in a society, now here Sikano, I will nipa kakrea binsem. They would look at if you look at it, middle class, doesn't really exist in Ghana. Really, in the true sense of the word, it's either the upper class and a mob rough one. The struggling, ordinary people. And obi nyashika kakrea bi no be show from no kase e mosun chiro bia okwa any pass mercy we ye ni papa and so you are there so be abehu sankofo bi na NDC fo omu hihye NDC fo akira omo twitwi scam nkofo bi wo Ghana ni abrochire na omu di asantefo atenti by doing so no omu so ye dem omu popularize omu image omu banish omu profile, and that's what it is. And I come say, do you want to restart or revive your sinking career or business or importance in Ghana? You better insult the Asantes. That's what it is. they may not want to, as agree to this assertion, but it's true. And say, who person revival or sinking career in Ghana today? Business, your career, there, however you see yourself or call yourself. Who person, who mama for who profile, who broaden who profile, you better you saw the Asantes. It's so unfortunate, but that's the way it is. That's how it is. So what is it? What is it? Obi di Asante for atem and then so you so there. The more you do it, the more people see you, the more people notice you. Hey, muti as mo ka fa Asante for. Hey, na muti. Enti ubo yankophobia ahemfo kra no. They call themselves so many amahine and me. They will keep doing it because so much yes, they won't be relevant. Yeah, almost self-importance to demonize other tribes, especially Ashantis. And so that's what they've been doing over the decades, over the years. And to the nyadi and to come on and then come on person me say, do you want to restart your sinking career or businesses in Ghana or abroad as Ghanaian? You better insult the Asantes because so yes sir, we're journalists, so we for ourselves journalists, reporters, TV station, no from Kophobia betra. No said what should that LED into some kind of conversation be a dear Santifo bebem. Then the pana demonizers and so claim so many Santifo, so many Santifo, who demonizers Santifo can and so many questions can share Asantifo ne Kumasi ofin Kumasi and so Ghana pa baby ho fin pa in any voter region and in Choco nominisa area on a cry capital town a whole fin mania. I me back Accra say last time back Accra me 3 weeks me white t-shirt we say ya oba no yes ma I see the kadika mother capital town what you man no chab so ya Kumasi na afi Kumasi say me say so baby ho fin pa Accra kan ho Choco sa fadama nominisa bebre omu kompoano ho no empoano ho no omu de ho aye private I said restroom and I said toilet place. That's what they do. About America, Miami, Honmani ade no. Asan obenya say ocean front and I say sea front baby atrano. Then so ye billionaire say Jabizo no Elon Musk no and a Trump one. But ko Accra so a Choco Honmani ade no. And here for ni go and ponano no ma de wa dane bathroom and I say toilet. Oh, musara musikumasi efi. Maza munya de meka ni nyina ne say they want to banish and I say expand their profile. Until yes, sir, who did the Asante for atem near the idea, and as a war sinking career, so we are boxing to say Bokum Bankunumne, I eat a powers in this uncle for no. That's what it is. When you talk about Asantes, or to say the Omutake, Omatake, or Katechefu Fanny as well as Santini. Tomuka, no, they are fast for no. Until yes, I know people will get to know you better. Until that's what it is. To me suggesting to all those who want to restart or revive your career. And the best thing to do, say, though sarcastically, the best thing to do, say, you better start insulting the Asantes, and that's how your reputation and your self-importance and everything will be broadened. And I said, people will start noticing you. Until one more time, we African Professor One. Subscribe, share with friends and family. I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.